A very good day to everyone. We are from Super Fuiyoo Car Group. I'm Fuiyoo with my two group members, which is Kushihan and Muhammad Iskandar. Okay, this is our mind map for our design. So firstly, for the introduction, it said that recently our country weather is out of control and it affects the healthy and normal lifestyle of the public. The source of hot weather always can't lift away the main factor of climate change, which is the depletion of the ozone layer. The second will be the background of our design. It is designed by using the solar energy and wind energy, which are related to the mission of SDG 7. The air filter will act as the main function to filter the greenhouse gases in the air to fresh air. In this way, it may overcome the climate change issue mentioned in SDG 13 since it may bring a decrease in greenhouse gases. So the next will be the methodology. The first is solar panel. It will attach on the roof of the vehicle to generate electric power. And the next small wind turbine. This small wind turbine will be attached on two sides of the vehicle, left and right heads, and this may generate more electricity while driving. Since it's while driving, so it can turn the turbine and produce the energy. So the next is air filter incubator. It will attach at the ground of the vehicle, so have rather surface to capture the pollutant air, and then this may filter the pollutant air from, for example, the carbon dioxide in the pollutant that consists in the pollutant air can convert into the oxygen. So by this way, it will increase the quality of surrounding air. For the next one will be the specification of our design. This design is made as public transportation so that it can minimize the percentage of toxic gases, which is the pollutant gases that excreted from vehicle. And it is 100% depends on the renewable energy made by the generator because we didn't use any petrol or diesel as a fuel. So as you can see, our design is is almost, I think is 100% is renewable energy. So it may bring a lot of positive impact to our society. So the first, you can save the energy, and third, it can increase the oxygen level in the atmosphere because this design is consists of the function to filter the pollutant gases, and by this way, it can decrease the greenhouse effect since the greenhouse gases will be filtered out, and at the same time, it will improve the quality of life to our public. Okay, this is our draft design of product. As you can see, this is a transportation, public transportation of the car, and you can see there's a green color which is two small wind turbine attached head of the car, and the solar panel will be at the roof of this bus, and it will filter incubator at the bottom of the car. This is our design of this green innovation bus. So for the bottom of the car, the left side will show the draft design of the filter incubator. So this filter incubator will be in big surface area of the design, and it will attach at the bottom part because it will be easier to trap more as the vehicle driven on the road. And also, it will efficient in trap more, so more pollutant gases will be filtered and convert to fresh air because it is in big surface area and it attached at bottom of the car. So it will be easier to trap the pollutant gases. And the pollutant gases will be processed and filtered and undergo the purification. And then the fresh air will be produced via the side behind of the air filter incubator. So you can see from the left, from the draft design that I have mentioned. And for the layer of the air filter incubator, there will be 4 layers. So the first is pre-filtration filter. It will catch large particles, the dust and pollutant gases such as the carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and more. And then for the second layer is activated carbon filter. This carbon filter It will absorb and eliminate the odor gases such as the ammonia gases. And for the third filter is called catalyzed filter. It will remove the microorganism and last remaining impurities. The last will be the cover of this filter incubator. This is the inferior design of the car. The left side is shown that the draft design position for two small wind turbine and is attached to the side head of the vehicle. The right pictures is the similar design that we might be produced. So the function of the wind turbine is as the car is moving, it will rotate and eventually will generate the electrical to the vehicle. So as you can see, as the rotation, as higher the rotation, so the more electrical will be produced because the turbine will rotate in the faster rate. And so our car will generate more electrical energy. The next is roof of the car. So you can see that here is the rough design of the solar panel that attached on the roof of the car. As we all know, the solar panel is actually a collection of solar cells, which can be used to generate electricity through the photovoltaic effect. Solar energy is a renewable energy, and solar panel cell also can store as electrical energy. So as no energy generated by the car, the stored solar energy can be used in emergency. So conclusion, for this design, it combines the solar energy and wind energy. It's very cost effective and multifunction, but it needs more time to concern to build the model and find the recyclable material first. Okay, that's all from our Super Fuiyoo Car Group. Thank you for your listening.